Starting around 09 October 2023, AMP is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in very most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. AMP really has a very complete market cap of $67,730,588 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,284,664, or so they sort of thought. This makes AMP kind of positioning at 303 in the digital currency market in a kind of enormous manner. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP in every practical sense be by and large worth in 2023 in every practical sense, enormous way? Is AMP a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical? Will AMP cost generally outperform its unequaled high, or so they for the most part thought? These basically are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, or so they basically thought. AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost in a real sense is supposed to for the most part cross a sort of normal value level of $0.003, the normal genuinely least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to all things considered, be $0.003, which really is genuinely critical. Besides, AMP can explicitly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. AMP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for AMP could stretch around $0.003, or so they generally thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003, showing how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the AMP cost forecast finish of 2023, what will AMP sort of be by and large worth in 2023, which basically is very huge. AMP value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP really is gauged to in every practical sense be at around a sort of least worth of $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. The AMP value worth can by and large arrive at an extremely limit of $0.003, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how besides AMP can sort of arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.003, or so they generally thought. AMP value conjecture October 2023. The AMP gauge for October 2023 expects that the AMP may in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.003, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.003 in a for the most part huge manner. Discussing the kind of typical value AMP can stretch around $0.003 for October, so AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the AMP cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal really least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be $0.003. Or so they thought. AMP value gauge November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may basically arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.003, while the especially greatest determined cost truly is around $0.003, kind of additional appearance how might AMP cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly normal cost for AMP truly is especially anticipated to generally reach $0.003 in November 2023. Further appearance how AMP value conjecture November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may generally arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.003, while the greatest estimated cost especially is around $0.003. Kind of additional appearance how might AMP cost for the most part outperform its untouched sort of high in an especially significant manner. AMP value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP is determined to truly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.003, which explicitly shows that AMP value estimate September 2023 In September 2023, the cost of AMP in every practical sense is gauged to be at around a sort of least worth of $0.003 in a significant manner. The AMP value worth can sort of arrive at a truly limit of $0.003, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, or so they essentially thought. AMP kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been for the most part diminished by 0.44% in its fundamentally current worth, which certainly is very critical. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap is likewise down, which explicitly is genuinely critical. AMP fundamentally is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a huge manner. The AMP generally is down to nearly 2.54% in the truly most recent 7 days, which fundamentally shows that AMP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the especially greatest cost for AMP could in a real sense stretch around $0.003, which really is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past certainly couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for pretty, however, we don't feel that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP certainly diminished by 59.902%, killing an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.002 from its certainly current worth, which basically is genuinely critical. This unexpected down implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a for the most part great generally purchase a potential open door for the most part speedy venture, which truly is very critical. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 67.20%, and the value sort of circled from a by and large least kind of typical cost of $0.005 to greatest for the most part normal cost of $0.005 in the sort of beyond 90 days. Showing how starting around 09 October 2023 AMP for the most part is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. AMP in every practical sense is somewhere near 48.43%, with the fundamentally most extreme essentially normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.003, and the exceptionally least all things considered, normal cost of by and large, was around $0.003 in genuinely beyond 4 months, which fundamentally shows that AMP value figure August 2023, in August 2023. The kind of greatest cost for AMP could stretch around $0.003 in a fundamentally significant manner. AMP value figure 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be AMP all things considered worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? The AMP cost in every way that really matters is gauged to explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 0.0